show you how to make a bee kazoo. It's a really simple vibrating instrument, and you can modify the tone by moving the straws up and down and how much you blow. So you take your lolly sticks, which are, take one of these apart, yeah, here's one. Take your lolly sticks and you take a band that will fit snugly over the ends like that, so the flat band is against the lolly stick, it doesn't fall off, quite a good fit. You take a second lolly stick, and take this one apart to show you, put that to the side. You're then going to need some bits of straw, about 2 centimetres, 2 pieces the same length. There you go. You're going to tuck one bit of straw under the band you just put on. Next bit's a bit more tricky. You put this second one on the top and you've got to pinch it then with a thumb and a finger. But you can hold it in place once you've got your second lolly stick on the top. Okay, so it's there. We need to fix it now. So you've got basically a reed, and you've got a means for the air to travel through these straw pieces, and the vibrating through those straw pieces and through the gap is what makes the sound. So pinching it carefully all together. So remember, one straw is underneath the rubber band, the second straw just sits on top, and then you put your lolly stick down. So you can experiment with tightness. Smaller rubber bands for the ends, smaller than the one you put in the middle. I'm just going to open that up a bit. And we found that this kazoo emulated the sound of a bee, and if you get a high pitch, it's really like a shrill carder. Let's see. Very sad, very deep sounding bee.
That's the shrill carder.
That's the shrill carder.
Brilliant, thank you, Amanda.